In this video, I'm going to be rating the best and the worst course sellers online. As a course seller, you probably know some of these faces. Some of them are pretty good at the shit that they do. So let's start from Hamza. He's making some bread and I'm going to rate it. The reason I'm not going to put it at S or A is because he could be making way more money. Okay, first of all, he's in a niche space. Okay, he has two niches. Okay, self-improvement, and he has second channel where he teaches about like how to grow on YouTube, etc. and etc. He could be selling high tickets, but instead he chooses to sell low tickets. He could be making 5x more, 10x more money, but he said that he's kind of too lazy. He don't want to be coaching people. Andrew Tate, man, some of you guys may think like, yeah, he owns the casinos, he owns this. That's how he makes his money. No, bro, he sells information just like I do. Okay, but he's good at it. He's good at marketing. He should sell low ticket. You know why? Because he's a broad guy. He talks about broad stuff, unlike this guy. He's more niche. He talks about, if you think about Andrew Tate, he talks about money in general, motivation, everything. He also sells a high ticket for the more serious people who wants to know about some serious shit in the war room. But smart guy, man. He knows his shit. Great marketer. Iman Gadzhi, man. Iman Gadzhi. Big ass fraud. No, I'm joking. He also goes to S tier. You know why? I'm just gonna be that honest. He knows his shit. Good at marketing. He kind of fell off as well, just like Hamza, but good marketer. He has been exposed many times that his SMMA company made like 200K. Later on in his new channel, he admitted that it came from selling info, the 100M. Okay, smart guy, great marketer. That's why S tier. Alex Hormozi. This guy's a legend, man. He makes so much money from selling info, aka courses and mentorships. And some of you guys may think like, no, he doesn't sell info. He doesn't sell courses and mentorships. He's legit. Listen, bro, there's nothing wrong being a course seller. I'm a course seller and I'm proud. He makes great money from acquisition.com, aka just, it's a fucking course. Not a course, but it's like it's a mastermind. People pay to go see him live where he teaches them stuff. Info. That's technically a course, okay? It's a mastermind. Not a course, but more like live event stuff, which is also info. I'm gonna put it in S tier because he's a great marketer. He knows what he's doing. Very high ticket friendly guy. What's up, man? Welch. Some of you guys may know him as the e-com guy. Also a legend, bro. Great money from obviously selling info, not from necessarily, probably he makes good money from e-com, but listen, bro. All of these guys, man, they know the fucking game, just like I do. They know that the method is selling courses and mentorships, and there's nothing wrong with that if you actually know what you're doing with stuff that you're actually talking about. Okay, let's say if I talk about trading like I used to, I actually knew how to trade. That's why I talk about it. And then I make great money selling courses and mentorships. That's why I'm now talking about that. Okay, this guy, A tier, Brez. The one thing that is in common with all of these guys is that they're all great marketers. They're essentially the main guy in front of the camera, right? And they market the stuff that they sell, right? They sell the info. But this guy, he's known as the flashiest lifestyle and claiming that he makes money from freelance brand scaling. Obviously, bro, most of his money comes from the fucking teaching how to do freelance brand scaling, okay? He makes money from freelance brand scaling, but most of the money comes from the actual selling teaching the freelance brand scaling. That's just a fact, whole hard fact, not hating, because this is how it goes. Most of these guys obviously won't admit that they make most money selling info. Regardless, man, this Brez Scales, he makes like 1 million per month from selling courses and mentorships. You know how I know? Because if you guys know Jeremy Haynes, this guy won a freaking trophy, a 1 million per month trophy in there selling courses and mentorships. Guys, insider information. Regardless, TGR Trades. He just recently got exposed. That video got like 1 million views within 3 days, which is crazy. A lot of people caught that and called him a scammer, etc. I used to watch this guy, okay, back in the days when I was like trading, and I believed him for like a week. And then I started to see these patterns that, yeah, this guy ain't fucking legit. He ain't legit, but he's a course seller, a fucking great one. Okay, he used to be selling like low ticket discords, just like I did. And then he started to sell high ticket, which is smart. He's a great course seller. Unfortunately, like, it's a fucking fraud, but he knows what he's doing, man. He makes great money, probably like 2 million per month selling courses and mentorships. Now I don't know because he got exposed. I don't know how much he makes, but I'm gonna put it in A tier with this guy. Obviously, these three are the legends. Adriel Cash. I'm the guy who sells courses and mentorships, part of that, and I teach you do the same. Okay, my first info business ever was in the trading space. Okay, I was teaching people how to trade because I actually became profitable at that. Okay, and then I started to teach it. I start to make way more money teaching it because that's how it goes. Okay, when you start teaching, you start making way more money. And I was like, I want people to really know what's up. I want people to really learn how to make great money online, aka selling courses and mentorships. And now I teach you how to sell courses and mentorships. Okay, I help you launch and scale your online info business. I help you sell your expertise. If you want to learn, DM me on Instagram, Adriel Cash, at Adriel Cash. But I'm gonna put this guy, obviously, I don't wanna be a self-glazed guy, but man, I know the way, right? But right now I'm in the military, I cannot really fully lock in with this shit because I'm in the military. I'm gonna be out within a couple of months, so stay tuned, bro, stay tuned. FITXFEARLESS, unfortunately, this guy fell off hard, okay? Kind of saw it coming because he had the winning formula, man. He had the winning formula, but he wanted to change. He used to be doing them calls, those free calls where he gave advice, you know, those live calls, and then he posted on everywhere. Those were doing good. That was his winning formula on social media, but then he just suddenly stopped and phew, this guy went sideways. He still makes good money, but I'm gonna put it in B tier. These two kind of fell off, unfortunately. Kind of saw them coming because they switched the winning formula, okay? And they never switched back. But hey, man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, sub button. Peace out.